The House panel, investigating the notorious January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol, has been making headway. Subpoenas have been issued for testimony and phone records from close Trump advisors, rally organizers, and former White House staffers. The core accusation? Inciting the riot. In a twist of events, the National Archives has recovered White House records from Trump's Mar-a-Lago resort, some of which may have been classified. This has led to a full-blown investigation by the FBI and federal prosecutors into the unauthorized retention or destruction of these documents. Moving south, Fulton County, Georgia, District Attorney Fani Willis has launched a criminal investigation into Trump's efforts to overturn the election in Georgia. Concurrently, the Justice Department is looking into a plot to put forward fake electors from 7 states. Meanwhile, New York Attorney General Letitia James is investigating the Trump Organization for fraudulent financial statements. However, Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg's probe into Trump's businesses is unlikely to result in charges, providing a small respite in the storm. The legal battles don't end there. Trump finds himself embroiled in a tug-of-war with his niece Mary Trump and the New York Times over the disclosure of his tax information. Additionally, magazine writer E. Jean Carroll has accused Trump of rape, adding another layer to the complex web of legal entanglements. These key points encapsulate the myriad of investigations and lawsuits involving Trump. The question of whether Trump will go to jail remains unanswered, the outcome hinging on the complex interplay of these legal proceedings. As the investigations continue to unfold, one thing is clear. The road ahead is fraught with uncertainty and intrigue. This is a news report that will keep evolving, demanding our attention and curiosity. So stay tuned, stay informed, and remember, in the world of politics, nothing is ever as simple as it seems.